Hello and welcome to class. Bring your hands to heart center. Inhale, lift the heart center and exhale. Let's go through our intentions: self-discipline, self-inquiry, and surrender. Open your heart. Bring your hands together. Bring yourself fully into the present and let's begin. We're going to start by centering ourselves. So breathe into the low belly. And exhale, relax the shoulders. Gently close your eyes. Breathing into the low belly helps the system relax. So practice that throughout this practice. Inhale and exhale. 2 more breaths here. Just find your center as best as you can. Turn your focus inward. Breathe in and exhale. Relax the shoulders. Gently open your eyes. We'll move into tabletop position now. So grab your blanket, place it underneath your knees. We're going to begin loosening up the spine with our cat-cow motions. So knees underneath the hips, hands underneath the shoulders, flat back. Make sure your neck is in line with the spine. Inhale or exhale as you pull the spine up towards the ceiling, up towards the sky, curving the spine upward, tucking the chin under, and reverse that breath and pull the belly button down, lift the heart center, lift the head, and exhale. Move at your own pace here. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Press the floor away from you. Exhale, pull the heart center down. We're working on 2 of the spinal flexion motions. Creating space between the vertebrae, encouraging all the little micro muscles to loosen up. Breathe in and out. Pull the belly button down. As you pull the belly button down, push the hips up. Curve the shoulders together in the back. Exhale, bring the spine up. Press the floor away from you. Pull the hips up towards the hands. And exhale. Couple more here. Move at your own pace. Breathe. Inhale, lift. Curve the spine. Press the floor away from you. Pull the hips up towards the wrists. And exhale. Find that flat, neutral spine. Take the left hand and just walk it over the right into that C-stretch. Breathe into the side body. Find your stretch here. Breathe in, just imagine lengthening of the side. And exhale. We're going to stay here for 2 more breaths. So take your time. Follow your own breathing patterns. Just focus on breathing into the low belly as much as you can and exhale. Relax the shoulders on the exhale. 1 more. Inhaling and long, slow exhale here. Take the right hand and walk it over the left. Come back to center. Make sure your spine is neutral and flat, neck in line with the spine. Take the right hand over to the other side and breathe into the side body here. And relax. Inhale, imagine that right side lengthening and stretching, breathing into it. Breathe out. Breathing into that side body. We have 2 more breaths. Relax the shoulders as much as you can. And a long, slow exhale. Release. Go ahead and walk your left hand back over, coming back to center, flat and neutral spine. A few more cat-cows here. Just lift the spine up, lengthen, and exhale, pull the belly down. Again, you could do this cat-cow motion at whatever speed feels best for you. Just tune into your body, listen to your body, and find out what it wants. Inhale and lift. And exhale. Find that neutral spine. Moving on to thread the needle. Root down through the right hand. Root down through both knees. And inhale, lift the left hand, open your heart center. And exhale, find that open spot and tap your shoulder as far as you can to the ground. Inhale, lift, lengthen the fingertips, and exhale. Thread, tapping the shoulder. And one more time on the side. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Take a big breath in. And exhale. Go ahead and rest the shoulder on the floor. And use your supporting hand here to assist you with this stretch. Find what feels good. Exhale, relax. Breathe into any tension you feel. And exhale. Allow the breath to guide the tension from your body. Relax the shoulder. 2 more breaths here. Breathe into it. And exhale. Now we're going to take the supporting hand and press down towards the floor on this last breath in and out. See how that feels a little different. Make sure that supporting hand is under the shoulder. Bring yourself back up into a tabletop position. Root down through the left hand and down through both knees, down through the tops of the feet. Inhale, lift the right hand. And exhale, find that open space and tap the shoulder as far as you can down towards the floor. Inhale, lift and lengthen, reach, shine your heart center. And exhale. Tap the shoulder. Inhale, reach and lengthen. And exhale. Go ahead and relax the shoulder all the way down to the floor and relax as much as you can. Use your supporting hand on this side as well. Breathe in and exhale. Relax. Inhale into any tension you feel. Exhale, relax. 2 more breaths here. Again, remember that supporting hand can help you find a stretch as you relax. One more. Inhale into that tension. Anything you feel in your body, breathe into it and use the breath to guide it out. Bring the palm underneath the shoulder. Bring yourself back up into tabletop position. Neutral spine here. A few more cat-cows. Pull the belly button down and lift the spine up. We're working out any tension that we may have loosened up or giving it a clear passage to move through. Pull the belly down. Inhale. Curve the spine. And one more set here. Pull the belly button down. Again, as long as you're breathing in this pose, you can find what feels best for you today. Inhale on the cat or the cow, it doesn't matter. And from that neutral spine, we're going to move now into the crescent lunge. So lift your upper body, take the right foot forward, and root down through that left knee, root down through all the toes on the right side. Lift your heart center and square your hips forward. Inhale and lift your arms, whichever arm variation you want to choose today. Lengthening the vertebrae here, or shining the heart center into cactus, or maybe resting your hands on your leg. Today I'm going to lift my hands up all the way, lengthen the vertebrae. Wherever you are in your practice, just take note and know that any attempts at these postures is progress. Inhale and lift. Exhale. Tug your inner thighs towards each other on these last 2 breaths. See what that feels like. Shine your heart center. And long, slow exhale. We have one more breath, so wiggle your fingers wherever they're at. Shine your heart center forward. Long, slow exhale. Go ahead and relax the hands down and move on to the other side. So just bring the left knee out in front. Root down through the right side. Root down through the left foot. Make sure your hips are squared. And inhale, lift both arms. And again, choose whichever arm variation you like. Exhale. Relax the shoulders. Inhale, draw the inner thighs towards each other. Exhale, wiggle your fingers. Work on that circulation of the hands and the wrists as you lift. Lengthen the spine and wiggle those wrists a little bit. Exhale, relax. 2 more breaths on this side. Breathe into it. Shine your heart center forward. Exhale, we have one more here. You can do it. Breathe into it. Lift, lengthen. Shine your heart center. And long, slow exhale. Go ahead and drop your arms and work yourself back into tabletop position, whatever way is easiest for you to get there. And one more set of cat-cow. So bring the spine up, lift and lengthen, and exhale, pull the spine down. Pull the shoulder blades together here and find that neutral position. We're now going to work into downward facing dog. So you can leave your hands here, but again, if you have a longer torso, which I do, I'm going to walk my hands 1 palm print forward, curl the toes under, and shift my hips down towards the heels and up into the air and lift and walk out the back of the legs. Breathe in as you walk your heels down towards the floor. They don't have to touch the floor. You just want to get the stretch in the back of the legs. And breathe, exhale. Inhale and exhale. We want to practice this pose just a little bit so you can feel the difference between this line from the hips to the heels. And now working on the line knees bent, the line from the hips to the fingertips. Go ahead and press the floor down and away from you. Breathe in and exhale. And moving up into the forward fold now, just take your right foot and your left foot and just walk yourself up. If your blanket is still on the floor, just be gentle and aware. Inhale and exhale. Relax, using whatever modification you'd like. Breathe into the body and exhale. Bring your shoulders down towards the floor and relax the neck. You can bend the knees here. Relax the shoulders. Bring your head into a no and a yes, just loosening up the neck muscles. We're going to hold this pose for 2 more breaths, so breathe into the belly and exhale. Now breathe into any tension you feel in your body. And long, slow exhale. Relax. Bring the hands back to the floor. We're just going to bring the left foot back into that downward dog position, right foot back, and gently place the knees on the floor. Here we're going to move into a couple more cat-cows. We're really trying to get into our body here, learn some of the mechanics of it. Pull the belly button down, lift the spine up, breathe, and down. At your own pace here, breathe out, exhale, press the palms down. Inhale, curve the spine. This is really good to loosen up the low back and the pelvis area. Breathe in as you curve the spine. And exhale. Find that neutral spine. We'll end today with bringing our hips to our heels into devotional pose. Reach your fingertips as far as you can towards the short edge of the mat. Exhale, relax. Relax and allow yourself to melt down into the floor. Breathe in and surrender here. Breathe into any tension you might feel, any sensations, and use the breath as a vehicle for it to release. Relax your shoulders. Again, you can use any modifications while you're in this pose to make yourself comfortable. Exhale. This pose is your safe pose. This is your safe place. This is the pose you'll use when you need a break. Relax the shoulders. 2 more breaths. Breathe into the spine and surrender. And long, slow exhale. Relax. And very gently bring yourself back up into a tabletop position. Cross your legs behind you and just come down to your sit bones. We're going to come into a nice seated position. Find a nice, comfortable posture here in that seated pose, that easy pose. Gently close your eyes, lift your heart center, and exhale. Relax. We're going to take a few moments to center ourselves. Breathe in. Relax the shoulders. Breathe into the low belly. Just a few more breaths here. Tune yourself inward. You've moved a lot of energy today. Exhale. And long, slow exhale on this last breath. Gently open your eyes and bring your hands out to the side. You've released a lot of tension, so we're going to bring in positive energy. We're going to bring that into our energetic field. So just gather as much as you can with your imagination and your hands and bring it down into your heart center where it will be with you all day. The light in me loves and respects the light in you. Namaste.